Okay, so we're in my kitchen right now, and I want to share another recipe that I conjured up. Well, it's just kind of over the years, I've kind of created my own kind of chili that I've learned from many different recipes, but it's organic. It's something that can get you through in a pinch. So basically, what you can do is you could take this, you can freeze some of it. You know, you could take some, and then you can just have some in the fridge, and you can take some to work. You can eat it with a salad. It's pretty healthy. Like I said, it's all our organic ingredients, and this way it's more cost effective, right? And then also it's something that's good to eat if you like chili, you know. So for me, this time I used bacon. I've never had put bacon in my chili before, so I took 3 slices of some, bacon. It's organic, of course. I'm not gonna say organic anymore because I'm gonna be redundant, but everything is. So the bacon, 3 slices of bacon. And then what I did was I put that in the bottom of the pot. I put the green peppers, or one big green pepper. I put some small. So I had a couple habaneros. So I took one of the habaneros and I sliced it up really, and I chopped it up because they're really hot. And I had a couple jalapenos from my garden too. Those are from my garden. I chopped those up. I chopped up an onion. I chopped up some garlic, like 4 pieces of garlic. Let me see here. I put some just a little bit of water down at the bottom down there. I didn't put any coconut oil this time because I figured the bacon grease would maybe, I can use that as the oil, but I'm going to add a little bit at the end here, just a little bit. Cook the bacon up, and I let the vegetables cook with the bacon. And then I added the ground beef. It's like 85%, it's ground beef. And then I added let me see here, what did I do after that? And then, it was fine because I had a little bit of water in there, so it was fine. So then I added the crushed tomatoes next. And this is what I use right here, this container. And I use a little bit of water in there to clean off the remnants because a lot of it gets stuck to the side. I added the corn, drained it, of course, and then added some corn. I just like corn. You don't have to put corn. I put the 2 cans of these chili beans, which you can do whatever. You can just put pinto beans, you know. But I just put those in. And then I like kidney beans, so I add a can of that. Now, you don't even have to have beans. Chili can just be with beef, right? Or it could be with just beans and no beef. I like to, do a lot of working out and stuff, and I'm very active during the week. It's good to have this kind of meal because this meal fills me up. So then I added after that, I mixed everything up, let it cook real good, let the meat cooked and everything. And then basically I added some garlic, some parsley, some basil, some ground black pepper, salt, and some chili powder. Also, I think I already said, but this is the mild. I sometimes I'll get the hot, but it depends on who's going to eat it, I think this is already going to be hot because I put habaneros in there from my garden, but I just get this for some flavor, okay? And then other than that, now it's just cooking. So it's just about done. It probably takes, for the whole process, I'm thinking it takes a little bit more than an hour because I like to, once I get everything in there and I get the meat cooked and everything, I like to at least cook it for 20 minutes, at least. But that's good because then everything mixes together. Make sure you stir it and stuff like that. Also, I have a couple salads. We're going to have some salads with it. So the salad actually, these are tomatoes. These are tomatoes from my garden right here. And then I cut up a quarter of an apple that we're going to split. And then I have some radishes, right? And some green lettuce and some carrots and some basil and parsley and a little sea salt and pepper. And I'm going to add some balsamic with olive oil on that. So this right here, if it's not hot enough, right, the chili, when you get it done, if you like it spicy like I do, I like it spicy. If like you put peppers or whatever you put in there, if it's not hot enough, then I always add this to my, whatever kind of hot sauce you guys want. This right here, this habanero to it. So So yeah. So anyway, this is the chili recipe. I'll go ahead and put the recipe on the video, so that way you guys can make it your own way. You can tweak it your own way. But the main reason I want you guys to see this is because I'm trying to help people. I'm trying to inspire people to make healthier food choices, and I'm trying to show them that it's not that much different to where if you were to make this yourself without thinking it's healthy, it's actually pretty healthy. It just depends on the time you eat, the ingredients you're putting in these things, and if you're having a bunch of greasy fries with this, that's a whole different deal. I'm going to talk about that I have another video. The next video, I'm going to show you this kitchen right here. I'm going to show you with each cupboard. I'm going to show you my refrigerator, and I'm going to show you the freezer. I want to show you guys, kind of give you guys an idea of it's not that much of a difference than what I was eating before I started eating healthy. It's just, like I said, it's just now the ingredients are a little bit different and the time frame's a little bit different, and it changes everything. So I'm going to start posting videos once or twice a week. Some might be cooking, some might be in my garden, some might be exercising. Then I'm going to have steps to get in shape, steps to making better food choices, to just try to help you guys to try to learn what I've learned. And it's not that difficult once you get it going. So, and it's exciting. You can embrace the challenge. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, and then hit that notification bell, so that way if you guys, you can receive some notifications. But otherwise, maybe try this chili recipe, and then I'm going to put other recipes. I already have an eggplant one up there. I apologize if it's not, it's my first. I'm just learning. I've been creating these YouTube videos, and I'm learning how to get the lighting right. I'm learning how to get the videos right. I'm learning how to do this, but this is just off, just spur of the moment. I just want to show you guys. This is what I'm making right now today. It's already 1:37. I'm eating lunch really late today, so I'm gonna eat. I'll see you later.